Hello guys. So today I'm gonna show you how to fix Fortnite microphone not working. So first things first, you need to go to your sound settings and you need to check if your microphone is detected on your device. So for me, I'm using this device for my microphone. So the indication it's working would be this icon here, and the line should indicate whenever you're talking. So for me, my microphone is working. So if this won't show in your screen when you go to sound settings, then most probably your microphone is busted. So now let's go to Fortnite. In Fortnite, you go to your icon here and then just click on this one. So if this won't work, most probably your microphone is not detected on your PC or device. So for me, it's detected, so that's why I was able to turn it on. And if it still won't work, I recommend going to settings and then you go to this icon here for communication. Then you can set your voice chat to friends only, friends and teammates, or everybody, and make sure it's not turned off. So for me, I recommend everybody. And then for voice chat method, you can go select open mic so you won't have to press something on your keyboard to talk. So that might be the thing. So if you have push to talk, it might be one of the reason that your microphone is not working because you're not pressing the button. So I recommend going open mic and make sure that in your voice chat here it's someone you want to hear you know your voice with. So it's either everybody, friends only, or something like that. And then here you can go select your microphone. So I recommend selecting your microphone here to make sure that it's the correct device for your microphone, because sometimes when you have a lot of peripherals, a lot of devices will show up here. So it's better that you select your microphone device and then don't forget to click apply. And hopefully that fixes everything. If not, then I recommend restarting your PC or your Fortnite.